Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. How are you today? I hope you are doing great. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also doing well. Alhamdulillah. Today, I want to talk about mobile phone. Mobile phone is truly great invention of modern science. It is a blessing for us. It made our life easier. Who is the founder of mobile phone? Who is the inventor of mobile phone? The inventor of mobile phone is Martin Cooper. He made the world small, faster and easier. He made the world smaller, faster and easier. Mobile phone is a device which is handy. We bear it everywhere. It remains in our hand or our pocket. It is helping in our every task. We can't stay without it for a few minutes. Actually, it is must for us. We can use it every time. This device has some advantages and some disadvantages. The advantages of mobile phone are: we can learn something by using mobile phone. We can watch many types of videos by using mobile phone. We can watch tutorial videos by using mobile phone. We can share something by using mobile phone. We can communicate easily with other in a few seconds. We can use this device in emergency time. For example, we have to call ambulance, fire service or any doctor. So we can call it, such as well as we can earn money by using mobile phone. We can manage our business by using mobile phone. We can make online business by creating a Facebook page or creating a YouTube channel. We can be a content creator. So this all are possible by using mobile phone. We can relate with our friends in social media and social platform. For example, we can send message in a messenger, WhatsApp and Instagram. By these activities, we can communicate with our friends. So, mobile phone is very important for us. It has some disadvantages. if we use this device properly, we will shine our life. We will learn many types of knowledge. We will get many types of benefits if we use this properly. But if we misuse this device, we will destroy our life and mentality. We can suffer from many types of disease by using this much. Dear friends, we have to avoid the invalid works, the invalid activities and hacking. We can involve in cybercrime activities. It is bad for us. It is invalid activity. So we have to avoid from every bad activities when we use the mobile phone. Thank you so much for listening. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.